Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Coco Sports WM12 wireless mouse. There is a very small image of what this particular mouse is going to look like. This is a wireless mouse, which means it will come with a nano transmitter. This operates primarily on the 2.4 gigahertz bandwidth. Do we have any more information? It comes with 3 DPI settings, 800, 1200 and 1600. Connection is USB wireless and 4 buttons, and wireless range is 10 meters. Now I'm going to open this box and show you. This is what you find inside the box. First up, we have this micro USB charging cable. This is the cable that you use to charge this particular mouse. And this is the mouse in question. This is the Coco Sports. This is the Coco Sports WM12 wireless mouse. This is a very thin mouse, by the way, and thin and lightweight. This is not a very... Most of the other mouse in the market is much larger, in fact, especially if it's a gaming mouse. But there is a nice matte black finish on top, and the underneath it's a little bit glossy but not entirely. This is obviously made out of plastic. There is a micro USB charging port right over here, and the 3-button mouse. So this is left button, right button, and this is your middle button, which is also a scroller. There is a 4th button over here. This is your 4th button. This is basically the button that you use to control the DPI. Once again, there are 3 DPI settings in this particular mouse, which are the 800, 1200 and the 1600 setting. Underneath we have some more stuff. This is obviously the optical lens. This is the on-off button right over here. There, I turn it on right now. And this is of course the nano transmitter that you'll use to operate this particular mouse. Let's give that a shot. I have a laptop right over here. I'm going to plug in this particular nano transmitter over here and see if this works. Now that I've connected the nano transmitter, as you can see, I have to turn this on now. Yeah, and immediately it actually starts working. So let me just show you what it's like. There, I don't know if you can see this, but the mouse is working. I'll go to desktop, open the folder, browse through just some of the pages that I have opened over here. These are all work pages, unfortunately. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Coco Sports WM12 wireless mouse. Thank you for watching.